Today I will talk about my Phys102 project, which is about Faraday's law by using copper coils. Here is the objective of my experiment, uh, which observe how the variation in the speed of magnet and the change in the loop count of the coil will affect the EMF. And here are the equipments of my experiment that also can be seen clearly in the picture. A ruler, a multimeter, a magnet, coils with different loop counts, which I will change in every step of the experiment, and the crocodile table, which I will connect to the coil to measure the voltage. Here is the brief explanation of my experiment. I will drop a magnet from a certain height, which will vary from 20 centimeters to 30 centimeters, and by changing the coils from 40 loop to 100 loop, repeat this experiment for 6 times. Here are some example videos that are from the lab. The first one from the 40 turn coil, the second one from the 60 turn coil. And the last one from the 100 turn coil. The voltage increase can be clearly seen on the voltmeter screen while the magnets pass through the coil. And here are the tables from the first part. I mean, when I release the magnet from the 20 centimeters, and it can also be seen on the screen that the average voltage increase when I increase the loop count. Here, when I use the 40 turn coil, it is 10, and when I use 60 turn, it is something like 70. And when we look at the tables from the 30 centimeters part, the average voltage also increased because when I change the height, I mean, when I increase the height, it also increased the EMF. And finally, I want to talk about the errors and possible reasons for these. The general reason for the errors may be caused by human calculation errors or inaccuracies of the devices and so on. And the error that I encountered may caused of the weakness of the magnet that I used. Maybe using a stronger magnet will decrease the error rates. And finally, I want to mention that I need to burn the ends of the copper cable to make them conductive. Maybe these also caused some error. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for listening.